Well, in court this morning, former President Donald Trump, he and his attorneys trying to get a new date for his criminal case linked to a hush money payments that is, to Stormy Daniels.
Yeah, and that's not the only thing he's looking at. He's also looking at a huge bond, almost $500 million. So it's a busy legal day for the former president. Ron's got the very latest. Hello, Ron.
There is a breaking story regarding a legal win for the former president. So keep in mind, there are two active cases, both going on at once. In his fraud trial, the judge has just lowered his bond to $175 million. That had been well over $400 million. Today's the deadline to pay. So a legal win for his team, although that's still a huge number. So that's a new development in the last few minutes. On to the hush money case involving Stormy Daniels. That hearing's been going on now for about an hour and a half. His lawyers are asking the judge to delay the case till summer or even maybe throw it out. He's accused of falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. The trial was supposed to begin today. It got delayed because tens of thousands of pages of new evidence were introduced. His attorneys telling the judge because of the new evidence they need more time, but the judge questioned them, raising his voice in court as to why they didn't request more time back in February when they knew about the new evidence. Shortly before entering court, here's what the former president had to say.
Thank you very much, everybody. Are you getting a bond? This is a witch hunt. It's a hoax. Thank you.
And that was about it. Short and brief, saying it's a witch hunt and a hoax. So he does face that deadline still to pay, but as we said, the number has been dramatically reduced, more than half. Still, if he doesn't post bond by today, the Attorney General, Letitia James, could start seizing his assets unless he were to be granted a stay. So in a filing last week, his legal team says he didn't have enough cash to make that large payment and couldn't get a loan despite approaching apparently some 30 different lenders.